The Cubot X70 will be launching on the 7th of June alongside the Cubot King Kong 9. The King Kong 9 is a rugged phone, and the top features of the King Kong 9 has already been explored in a different video. There will be a link in the video description if you want to check it out. So in this video, let's talk about the top features of the upcoming X70. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's dig into it. So this device comes in two design options, Tech Black and Space Black. Both designs look ultra modern, guys. Very nice designs. The Tech Black option has this glass-like transparent rear, while the rear of the Space Black seems to be made of plastic. As regarding the top features of the X70, they're actually quite impressive. The device will be running on the latest Android 13. It's going to be the stock version of Android, so you won't be getting any unnecessary bloatware. The device would also be powered by the Helio G99. In case you do not know, the G99 is more powerful than all the Snapdragon 600 series, except for the 695 5G. The 695 is slightly more powerful and more efficient than the Helio G99, and besides, it's a 5G processor, so I don't think it's fair to compare the G99 with the Snapdragon 695. But the G99 is a very powerful and efficient 4G chip, so this device is going to be a very good performer when it comes to day-to-day tasks. And paired with the Helio G99 is 12GB RAM. The device also has a huge internal storage, 256GB. Both the RAM and the storage are expandable, by the way. The display of the phone also doesn't disappoint. It has a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. And in the camera department, the device also shines. It features a triple rear camera setup that consists of a 100MP face detection autofocus main camera, followed by a 5MP macro lens and a 0.3MP photosensitive lens. The front-facing camera of the device is quite good as well. It's 32MP, which is more than adequate to take decent-looking selfies and video calls. The battery capacity of the device is 5200 mAh. Now, it's not mentioned if this phone supports fast charging, but I expect this device to support fast charging, at least 18 watts, but I would be surprised if the device supports up to 33 watts fast charging. So other features of the X70 includes NFC. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports Bluetooth 5.2, dual nano SIM with 4G connectivity and OTG. With these specs, in my opinion, the X70 is one of the best mid-range devices of 2023. If you'd like to share anything about this smartphone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.